I want to separate the poultry group, those with wings that lay eggs, into their own area.
To do this, I build a circular wooden fence. This on these fence acts like a special boundary.
Come on, poultry friends. Rooster, duck, muscovy duck, and goose. Step inside this circular pen.
These 4 animals form a set. The rooster is an element of the set. We say that the rooster belongs to the set. The goat does not belong to this set. Let's dive into today's lesson to learn all about sets.